Ever scrolled through YouTube and seen an ad for a sleek, mobile banking app called Lunar? Maybe you saw an influencer raving about its budgeting features or its high interest rates. But with so many financial apps out there, it's natural to wonder, is Lunar a real bank? Can you trust it with your hard-earned cash? Let's dive deep and unveil the truth about Lunar. What is Lunar? Lunar isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar bank. It's a fintech company, which means it uses technology to offer financial services. Think of it as a modern take on banking, all accessible through your phone. Lunar boasts a user-friendly app with features like free mobile checking, no monthly fees for basic accounts, high-yield savings accounts, earn a potentially higher interest rate on your savings compared to traditional banks, budgeting tools, track your spending and set goals to stay on track financially, instant transfers, send and receive money instantly with other Lunar users. These features are definitely appealing, especially for young adults and tech-savvy individuals who value convenience and a mobile-first experience. So, is it a real bank? Here's the key distinction. While Lunar offers many banking-like services, it's not a licensed bank itself. This means it doesn't have a banking charter, which is essentially a government license that allows traditional banks to hold your deposits and issue loans. Instead, Lunar partners with a reputable bank, often called a partner bank or core bank, to hold your money. In Lunar's case, the partner bank is typically FDIC insured, which means your deposits are insured up to a certain amount, usually $250,000, in case the partner bank fails. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Advantages of Lunar. Convenience. Manage your finances anytime, anywhere with the mobile app. Potentially higher interest rates. Earn more on your savings compared to traditional banks. Budgeting tools. Stay on top of your spending and reach your financial goals. No monthly fees. Save money compared to traditional bank accounts with monthly maintenance fees. Disadvantages of Lunar. Limited features. You may not have access to all the services offered by traditional banks, such as cashier's checks or safety deposit boxes. Reliance on partner bank. Your money's safety ultimately depends on the stability of the partner bank. Newer company. Lunar may not have the same long-standing track record as established banks. Customer service. Getting help might be more complex without physical branches. Is Lunar right for you? Now that you understand the core of Lunar services and its limitations, the big question remains, is Lunar right for you? Here are some things to consider. Your banking needs. If you need all the traditional banking services like cashier's checks or safety deposit boxes, Lunar might not be a perfect fit. Financial comfort level. If you prefer the security of a well-established bank with a long history, you might be more comfortable with a traditional option. Tech savviness. If you're comfortable managing your finances entirely through a mobile app, Lunar could be a great choice. Final thoughts. Lunar offers a convenient and potentially cost-effective way to manage your finances, especially if you value mobility and budgeting tools. However, it's crucial to understand that it's not a fully licensed bank, and your money ultimately relies on the stability of its partner bank. Do your research before making a decision. Read reviews, compare features offered by traditional banks and fintech apps, and choose the option that best suits your financial needs and comfort level. Remember, your hard-earned money deserves a safe and secure home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and make smart financial choices.